Hey there, everyone. Aldrima Harper here, certified organizational specialist and declutter coach. Just wanted to share really quickly with you how you, as an entrepreneur, can supercharge your entrepreneurial success. Because most of the time, when you hear me talk about decluttering and organizing, um, you think about the decor or just the beauty of the space. You think about how pleasing it is to walk into a new, sparkly, organized, decluttered space, right? It really does make a difference. It makes it more enjoyable to be in. And that's super important. And I'm in no way minimizing the importance of that. When you're in an organized space, as one client says, it feels bigger. You get more clarity in thought. It makes the space really feel like a space that you really want to be in, gives you more energy. So these are super, super important. These are really great benefits of getting organized and decluttering, having clarity. It really helps you to, as an entrepreneur, to move forward, take the necessary steps. And this is crucial to your entrepreneurial success, but it also does a few other things. It supercharges your entrepreneurial success by helping you to manage your time better. As an entrepreneur, your time is super important. And by decluttering and organizing your workspace, you can manage your time more effectively. You can be more efficient with your time. Why? Because you're not wasting time looking for stuff. You're not wasting valuable time looking for stuff, which in turn stops you from completing tasks. It distracts you, right? But when you're managing your time more efficiently, you can do things more quickly and more effectively. And this in turn improves and supercharges your productivity. A clutter-free space helps you to stay focused, right? Because you won't be distracted by the clutter that you see. You'll be able to concentrate on the task. And that is why your productivity is supercharged. The other thing is that it significantly improves your creativity. A clean and organized workspace can help you clear your mind, improve creative thinking and critical thinking. You'll be able to think more clearly, generate new ideas, find better solutions, right? All of these things are crucial to your entrepreneurial success. So one of the things you may be thinking, okay, Aldrima, I'm really overwhelmed. I got a lot of stuff. I don't even know where to start. I mean, this really sounds simple, but where do I even start with this stuff? Well, you start small. You start with simple steps, bite-sized, small steps. And what that does is over time, it helps you to feel more accomplished and it helps you to increase your momentum. Because the reason you're in overwhelm, the reason you feel overwhelmed is because you're trying to tackle too much stuff all at once. Not only that, you probably don't have a blueprint or a rhyme or reason, no method, and nothing is organized. You don't have an organized way of organizing your stuff. Comment if this makes sense, if this resonates with you. The thing about decluttering and getting organized is that it really does take time. But it takes time, it takes more time on the front end, and it gives you more time on the back end. But when you approach it the wrong way and you feel like you don't have enough time, you're less likely to commit to the task. So I hope this piques your interest If it does, comment below. Just say, yes, this piques my interest. One of the things that I've done that I wished I had when I felt I had this feeling of overwhelm during a move one time. We were in the process of moving, and I just completely had a meltdown during the move. And so if I had had this cheat sheet that I can share with you, it's there's going to be a link, but this cheat sheet is a free download that will help you to simplify your decluttering efforts. It'll actually give you more energy. You'll actually be able to see your way through the process and complete the tasks with efficiency and just move on with your life, right? So the thing that I always tell people is that you want to, or you'll be able to experience the joy of organizing or the joy of organization that comes from the journey of decluttering. And it happens on the other side of this thing, right? But you got to go through the process. I can't make any promises that it won't be painful. It always looks worse before it looks better. But a simple step-by-step method, a step-by-step process will eliminate the overwhelm for you. So I'll put the link below where you can download a free 10-step cheat sheet that will help you to eliminate that feeling of overwhelm, especially when you just don't know where to start. So with that said, this is Aldrima Harper. Happy decluttering. I'll talk to you soon.